Welcome all of you in your science class. Today we will start learning the new chapter 5, acids, bases and salts. Many compounds we come across in our daily life. They are divided on the basis of their appearance, taste, solubility, etc. But you may wonder that what are acids, bases and salts? So in this chapter we will understand that what are these acids, bases and salts and how they are classified. First, let's learn about acids. When you taste any lemon, tamarind or tomato, how do you feel, children? How the taste comes to your mouth? I think it tastes sour. In Hindi it means khatta. Such substances are called acids which taste sour, and the word acidus comes from Latin and its meaning is sour. So on the basis of taste, if we want to classify acids, we can say acidic substances taste sour. Students, have you ever tasted soap or baking powder? I think it should taste bitter. So such substances which are bitter to taste and soapy to touch contain bases. But you avoid to taste such substances. They can harm your body. Common salt you all know. The taste of common salt is salty. It is neither sour nor bitter. So, such substances are known as salts. They are formed when acids and bases react with each other. Next, we will learn about testing of acids and bases. There are many ways of testing a substance to find out whether it is an acid or base. The first method is tasting. We have learned that acids are sour to taste while bases are bitter to taste. Different acids are present in different food materials. Some fruits taste sour as they contain acids. Examples are oranges, lemon, tamarind, etc. Second method is touching. Acids on touching can burn your hands, and bases, when you touch them you feel soapy. So both acids and bases are equally dangerous if they are strong acids and bases. We should handle them carefully. The before mentioned methods of tasting and touching are not safe methods for identification of an acid or base. We can get hurt or it can cause damage to our body. So the best method for testing any acid or base is by using an indicator. An indicator is a substance which gives specific results with acids and bases. It changes its color when added to an acid or a base, and it gives different colors with acid and base. Two types of indicators are there. One natural indicator, second synthetic indicator. Natural indicators we get from nature. They are not man-made. Examples of natural indicators are litmus, China rose, turmeric and red cabbage. First we will study about litmus. Litmus is the most commonly used acid-base indicator. It is a purple colored dye obtained from lichens. About lichens you have studied in your previous chapters. Litmus changes into red color when acid is added to it. With base, it gives blue color. You can see, children, that acid is turning into red color when litmus solution is added to it, and base is giving blue color when litmus solution is added to a base. Litmus indicator is a very safe method for identification of acid or base. Litmus solution is also available as blue and red litmus papers, and they are used in laboratories. An acid turns blue litmus paper red. On the other hand, a base turns red litmus paper to blue. See in the picture, children, a trick is shown to you how to remember the color change in acid and base of a litmus paper. In acid, litmus turns red, and in base, litmus turns blue. Now let's learn about neutral substances. When any substance is not showing neither acidic nor basic characteristics, then we say such substances are neutral substances. They will not bring out any change in color of indicators used. Examples of neutral solids are common salt, sugar, glucose, etc. Neutral liquids, example, water, mustard oil, petrol, kerosene, etc. Neutral gases, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen.
Natural indicators, litmus. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It gives mauve or purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. What about the blue litmus? When blue litmus paper is dipped in acidic solution, such as lemon juice, it turns red. When red litmus paper is dipped in basic solution, such as soap solution, it turns blue. Paper is dipped in neutral solution. Answer is easy. The color of litmus does not show any change in the solution. This is because these solutions are neither acidic nor basic.
Now let's see the action of natural indicators like turmeric and China rose on acids and bases.
China rose indicator. This is a China rose. I know how to prepare its indicator. Separate the petals of China rose and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water to it and keep this mixture for some time till the water becomes colored. Filter this colorful solution in a separate beaker. This is China rose indicator. Now we will perform an activity using the same indicator with various solutions. You know that the solutions of shampoo, soda water, and sodium hydrogen carbonate are basic in nature. The solutions of lemon juice and vinegar are acidic in nature, whereas sugar solution and common salt solution are neutral in nature. Now add 5 drops of this indicator to each of the basic solutions. Carefully note down the effect on these solutions. You will notice that basic solutions, that is shampoo, soda water, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, turn green. Here, initial color of the shampoo was light yellow. However, soda water and sodium hydrogen carbonate were colorless. Later on, these changed to green color. Similarly, add 5 drops of this indicator to acidic solutions, namely, lemon juice and vinegar. You will observe that they turn to dark pink, that is, magenta. The pale yellow color of lemon juice and the transparent color of vinegar changes to dark pink. On adding 5 drops of this indicator in neutral solutions, that is, sugar and common salt, we find that the color of the solution does not change. From the above activity, we can conclude that China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink and basic solutions to green, whereas no color change is seen in neutral solutions.
Turmeric indicators. Turmeric paper is another natural indicator. Take a full tablespoon turmeric powder. Add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on filter paper and drying it. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? You will observe that it changes in red color. Hence it shows that soap solution is basic in nature. Now add a drop of lime juice on the paper. The color of turmeric paper remains yellow. Hence it shows that lime juice is acidic in nature.
Now let's see what are synthetic indicators. The indicators that are man-made are called synthetic indicators. For example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, etc. Let's first see about the phenolphthalein indicator. You can see here, when phenolphthalein indicator is added to a base, the base turns pink in color. And in acids it is colorless. Next synthetic indicator that we will learn is methyl orange. As you can see, the methyl orange indicator is giving red or pink color in acid, and in base it is giving yellowish color. So children, we learned that using these natural and synthetic indicators is the easiest and safest methods in knowing whether a substance is an acid or a base. This table given in page number 46 in your textbook is telling you the names of indicators and their reactions and color changes with acids and bases. Learn this table very nicely, students. So that's all for today's class, children. Hope you all understood about acids, bases, salts and about neutral substances and the use of indicators. In next class, we will study them in detail. Be safe, stay at home and keep learning.